The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone releases in recent memory, packed with innovations, bold design choices, and powerful performance enhancements. Starting with the design, Samsung is introducing a striking new hero color, titanium blue, a rich and bold shade that exudes elegance and modernity. This color isn't just a statement, it's a reflection of Samsung's ambition to redefine premium aesthetics. And for those who prefer timeless classics, the S25 Ultra will also be available in titanium black, gold, and silver, with exclusive online shades like jade green and pink gold possibly in the mix. Leaked images suggest a seamless fusion of titanium and glass, delivering a device that feels both durable and luxurious. Early glimpses of its sleek form factor hint at a refined, flat design with slightly rounded corners, ensuring a comfortable grip despite its flagship size. Samsung seems to have perfected its signature camera layout, keeping it minimal yet iconic. The ultra-thin bezels surrounding the display only add to its premium appeal, making it one of the sleekest devices Samsung has ever produced. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to dominate. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset built on an advanced 3M process, this device promises unparalleled efficiency and power, with configurations reaching up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of storage. The S25 Ultra is designed to handle anything from demanding multitasking to high-end gaming without breaking a sweat. Benchmark tests have already placed it leagues ahead of its predecessors, with a Geekbench score that confirms its position as a performance leader. Beyond raw power, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will ship with Android 15 and the latest One UI 7.0, which brings an entirely new level of software refinement. The notification shade has been redesigned for better functionality, splitting notifications and system controls for a cleaner user experience. The refreshed icons and enhanced battery indicator add a modern touch, while deeper customization options make the phone feel uniquely yours. These upgrades aren't just cosmetic, they're aimed at making everyday interactions more seamless and intuitive. For photography enthusiasts, the S25 Ultra continues to push boundaries with its rumored 200 MP ISO LLHP5 sensor, capable of capturing stunningly detailed photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung's improvements in computational photography ensure that every shot looks professional, whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits. The camera is supported by advanced AI features that optimize settings in real time, making it easier than ever to capture the perfect shot. On the connectivity front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't compromise. With 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and NFC, it's built to support the latest technology trends. Samsung's decision to include long-term software support with up to 7 years of OS updates ensures that this phone isn't just an investment for today, but for years to come. Mark your calendars for January 22, 2025, when Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event will unveil the S25 series. While the base S25 and S25 Plus models offer excellent features and vibrant new colors, the Ultra stands out as the ultimate flagship. And with rumors of a Galaxy S25 Slim model launching later in the year, Samsung seems poised to cater to a diverse range of users. But what truly sets the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart is its ability to balance cutting-edge technology with user-focused features. It's not just about having the latest specs, it's about delivering an experience that feels tailored to your needs, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone who simply wants the best in their pocket. As anticipation builds, the question remains, is this the year to upgrade? With a bold design, next-level performance, and features that redefine what a smartphone can do, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might just be the device to make you say yes. Stay tuned for more updates as we dive deeper into Samsung's most ambitious release yet.